Hi, my name is Diana Hoffman. I own Active Healthy Lifestyles, and I'd like to show you how to clean the Fresh Air Cube. You can't always tell by looking if it's ready to be cleaned, so I have a nifty little card that I put the months on, and I mark down each time that I clean it. You could also do this on your Google Calendar or anything to keep track of cleaning it once a month. I give my customers a cleaning kit, so that helps them be sure to do the job. Okay, and just to review a little bit, when you turn it on, it comes on full fan. You can turn it down by hitting the down arrow and it will go quieter, and you can even go down one more. When you're sanitizing, you're going to hit the button and the red light comes on. That's 100% ozone, and it's cleaning your environment of any odors that you have. You can also put it on the green button, which it goes for 20 seconds on and then about 60 seconds off, and then it repeats. Before you start to clean, you want to turn off the air purifier. And you want to unplug it. And one of the first things you can do that's really easy, and you can be doing this as your normal cleaning every week or 2 weeks, just go ahead and run a sweeper to get some of the dust out of the unit. And you can do the same thing at the back because there's a back opening here. So we want to clean that as well, or do that as well. That doesn't seem like much, but a little bit of cleaning makes a difference when you're doing your air purifier. We're going to start with the back. And if you come in so we can see it, there's you lift it off. And I did just vacuum that, and you can vacuum both sides. If it's extra dirty, you can also run it under water in the sink and rinse it off and clean it, and then be sure you dry it fully before you put it back in. And I do the same thing here. Get down so that you can see that. Okay. And obviously, you're going to be using a bigger vacuum, so that vacuum is going to be more effective than this little one, but it just shows you what to do. All right, so then I'm going to put this back together because I'm done. And it clicks in, so be sure it's clicked in. We're going to go to the front, and I'm going to unscrew it. And I put them in a container because invariably the screw goes on the floor, and where does it go? Underneath my refrigerator. So that's just an easy way of putting it into something. If your screwdriver is magnetized, that makes your life a little easier as well. There's 4 screws, so you want to unscrew them. Okay, and there's a little screen there. So again, you can vacuum it. The cleaner your air purifier, the better it's going to work for you. You can also rinse it underneath the faucet with water, hot water, warm water, and clean it off that way, and then be sure it's dry. Okay, inside you'll see the fan. There's 2 ways of doing it. Some people like using a washcloth and have it be damp, and other people prefer a sponge. So it's whatever you like best. So it's damp, and you want to do both sides of the fan. So I reach down and get the back sides and the top side. And you sort of just probably have to count the blades to be sure you're all done. Or the first time you clean your air purifier, you're probably going to have more dust because your house, it's the first time it's been done, and it's going to collect a lot of dust. So sometimes that makes you feel good because you know the air purifier is working and cleaning the air of your dust. There's 2 tabs here, 1 tab here. That is again part of the technology that makes this air purifier work and get dust out of your air. Everything you breathe in travels on dust. So when the dust is out of the air, you are healthier. And this is what it's all about, is having you be healthy. Fresh air is down at the bottom. So look to see where your tabs are to turn it on, and you can have it face that same direction. Okay, now we're going to put the screws back in. And we do all 4 of these. You know, and since I'm having some time here, I want to remind you about the Active Pure technology that is in your air purifier. This Active Pure technology is the same thing that's used by NASA. So you are getting top-notch active that kills germs on surfaces and in the air. None of the air purifiers that I see advertised do that. So that's one thing you want to look for. Is it killing germs? What germs is it killing? If you go on our website, it will show you the germs that have been killed by these air purifiers. There's a lot of advantages to an air purifier. People have a low immune system from cancer, sickness. As we age, our immune system doesn't work as well. So these air purifiers are awesome to use. All right, now we're going to take off the back. So there's only 2 screws here. Okay, that screw doesn't want to come out. It may already be out. Yep. Okay. Okay, we've already cleaned this. Again, you can get a damp cloth and clean the inside. And we're going to do the same thing here, just wipe it off clean. This is the RCI unit. That name doesn't mean anything to you, but that's where the light is. That's where the honeycomb is. That's where the scientific part of bringing in and sending out hydroxyls, hydrogen peroxide, the oxygen in the air, and it works its magic and it kills the germs. That's all you really need to know. So you dust it off. You know, it's like my computer. I have no idea how my computer works, but I know that it does. And that's the same thing with the air purifiers. It has a lot of things in it. It's a very simple machine, but yet it works. And that's all you need to know. And there's scientific studies to prove that. So it's not just somebody saying, oh yeah, this is good. The scientific proof is there. This is the ozone plate. And sometimes this is a little harder to get out. You don't always have to take it all the way out. And there is denatured alcohol, and you put it on this swab and wipe it off. Let it dry and put it back in, and you'll hear it click, unless the wire's in the way. Okay, normally I don't have any trouble with this, but right now I am. There we go. All right, so everything's done. One other thing, when you have this out, the RCI unit out, if you have a dust thing, you can go in and get the blades again another way and get the inside of the machine so you're getting the top and the sides. And maybe you want to do it with the sponge this time and just dampen off and get it out. It doesn't take very long, and you've got your machine clean. Your machine will work much better for you once it is clean. Okay, we're about done. Put the screws back in. This isn't going all the way. There we go. The Fresh Air Cube is perfect for areas up to 1,500 square feet. So it's great for small areas. All right, you plug it in. And you can turn it on. And again, if you want the fan to be a little quieter, you can press the down arrow and make it quieter. As you outgrow this, you might be interested in the Active Pure. This will clean up to 3,000 square feet. And I'm sorry about the phone ringing. That happens. And this is the personal. I wear that anytime I'm out in public, so I'm protecting myself in public. I'm protecting myself in my home when people come to my home, and when the mail comes, when we bring groceries and things into the house, and when people come in, they just have germs on them. So you're, again, taking care of yourself and your health. Thank you, and may you have many years of good use with your air purifier. Again, this is Diana Hoffman, Active Healthy Lifestyles.